All right, we are back. I have the, there they are. Got the D-links in from Amazon. Thank you, Mr. Bezos. We're gonna weld them onto our attachment plate here. Everything is cooled since then. I just turned the gas on for the welder. Outside is dark out, so we're gonna get these welded up, try to finish this off, and then see what we can do about some of the surface rust to put some paint on it. I did leave my cheapo Amazon welding helmet in the sun yesterday, Monday, Sunday, one of the days, so hopefully that's charged up. And we'll see how this goes. So. What are you putting in this? Really more time. Alright, that's what the only works. I don't blind myself. I don't think the ones work at all. Good. Well, like I said in the last one, I'm definitely not a welder, but my goal is that stuff stays together, not to look pretty. Shut this off here. There we go. So yeah, there we be. We got the attachment all welded up with what I wanted. So we have our new bigger D-links, 1/2 inch from Amazon. We have our weld-on receiver. Ooh, toasty. Our bracing, I forgot about the side plates. Maybe we aren't done welding. Let me cut out some pieces for these triangle gussets. We'll weld those on and then we'll be done. we are done with the welding. It's not pretty. I think it's definitely strong enough. We're going for the overload strength, not the fatigue strength. You know, some of them turned out better than others if I took the time to like actually clean the metal, but not having the hood and using this guy was quite cumbersome, and I can't lie, it was not the most fun. So yeah, probably could have taken a little bit more time to lay that out, put it together, but it's not a priority. It's how it came out is perfectly fine. I'm not super upset. I'm not trying to sell it. I just want to use it. I want it to be strong enough for the future. And yeah, so definitely think with the counterweights on here now and with that attachment, I'll be able to really lift more than what I need to. The bulk of lifting for me is inside the shop here, is kind of like axles, you know, maybe some fenders. I know I can't lift the cab, I know I can't lift the bed, but it's just some of these, you know, smaller stuff. So I will have to see, or have to wait till tomorrow to clean up the rust and then paint it. It's a little too late tonight. It's 9:30, so that'll be the next one. I'm trying to figure out what color I paint it. So, I mean, I have some black paint. I also have some orange paint.
Happy 4th of July, everyone. So, it's July 4th morning. Happy birthday, America. Independence Day. Best day ever. Take your pick. Wrapping up on the heavy lift attachment here. So, got it. Well, you can't even see that. Anyway, got full sun this morning. So yeah, finished painting it the other night, and then last night put the last coat on it. So she's all done. I'm just gonna leave it black. Don't think I need to paint it any other color. We'll just keep it common between everything. Don't want something sticking out. So, but yeah, pretty happy with how it turned out, and I'm excited to put it to a test. So yeah, I have to think of a few things to test with the lifting. Gotta find some heavy stuff. We'll see if we can't break it or how it works out. So till that video, take care. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy July 4th.